Amid the Holy Week rush, authorities are also keeping a close watch on airports such as the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Our multimedia reporter Mary Joy Salcedo gives us the latest from Pasay City. MJ?
Yes, Neil, just this morning, the Office for Transportation Security conducted a safety inspection here at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3. The inspection aims to ensure the safety of passengers during the travel rush this Holy Week. The activity was led by OTS Administrator Yusek Gilbert Cruz. He was also accompanied by officers from the new NAIA Infrastructure Corporation. Authorities specifically visited the OFW lanes and the domestic departure area, among others. They also distributed OTS Go bags and pamphlets containing travel tips for passengers. Aside from this, they showed the operation of a newly commissioned machine that can detect explosives and bullets. During our interview with Yusek Cruz a while ago, he advised passengers not to bring harmful objects such as bladed weapons and pointed objects to the airport. Cruz noted that around 200 live and blank ammunitions have been confiscated across airports in the country so far during this year's Holy Week. Of these, over 100 were seized here at the NAIA. Cruz noted that usually they confiscate around 8 to 15 ammunitions per day at the Metro's airport. He said most of the incidents involved passengers smuggling them as amulets or anting-anting.
Minsan talagang sinasabi nila na hindi nila alam dahil they just borrowed the bag. But after ma-profile naman namin sila at nalaman namin na totoo sinasabi nila, then pinapatuloy namin silang sumakay sa mga biyahe.
Yes, aside from the bullets, the most common prohibited items that were confiscated at airports in Holy Week were pointed objects such as knives and scissors. After NAIA, the OTS also went straight to PITX, LRT-1 and Manila North Harbor Port for their safety inspection this Holy Week. Meanwhile, passengers continue to flock to the airport. Only this Holy Tuesday, the NNIC recorded more than 142,000 travelers at the NAIA. The NNIC projects that over 1.35 million passengers will travel through the NAIA from March 29 to April 5, 2026.